So here's our pressure test for the air conditioning. So here's the fault. Sensor for ambient air temperature implausible. So ambient temp sensors cause problems where you have fluctuation in your temperatures. So the air conditioning system on this car, which is controlled by a solenoid to optimize AC cooling, will engage and disengage and cause it to wear out prematurely. Climate control sends a signal its temperatures are incorrect. And when the temperatures are incorrect, unnecessary stresses. So here's what we got going on. Eric, after doing multiple tests, after replacing the ambient temp, the fault went away, but with the help of the temp causing fluctuating temperatures, and it is super low. It jumped to 20 bars and then went back down to 12 because it doesn't have enough refrigerant. So the 88, yeah, that's not gonna keep you cool. It continues to fluctuate. Definitely gotta open this system up. There's some serious problem with it. Compressor will be needed, and also we'll need to clean out all the lines, replace the expansion valve. There's dirt, it will clog, and from all the debris that was in the line that we just kind of drain it, we get all this black residue right away, and that's from the system. After testing, we drained some from the system just to see what color it would be, and that's all black. The compressor self-destructed and created this mess. Typically that's what happens. This is supposed to be pretty much clear. It's clogged because after we turn the car off, our pressure is still pretty high on the high side. So the AC system needs to be redone, unfortunately.